Man, I'm so awkward in front of the camera. This is quite embarrassing. But yeah, I mean,
Frequencies reasonably well.
Yeah, this is the only place where you're going to see my foot. I think I'd better blur that so nobody sells it on some sort of website for feet. Hey guys, what's up and welcome to a slightly different episode. In fact, today I just thought I'd do this just for a little fun. If I manage to get this video out on the day I want to get it out, it is going live the day I've had this channel for about 5 years. So it's pretty cool because I honestly didn't think that I'd stick to this for as long as I have, but it has been a lot of fun. So what I was thinking, just for a little fun, let me scroll on back just to see how I was in front of the camera about 5 years ago. I'm not too keen on doing this, but what the hell. You guys can have a little fun based on my embarrassment. Cool, so here we are. I didn't really think I'd have over 300 videos available after so long because I never really knew how to do video. I never shot video. I had never been in front of a camera. I was used to being behind it, being a photographer. But anyway, let's go through all the videos I've gone through right to the very first one, which was a Realme Buds Wireless. These were something else. So let's jump on in. So very obviously the overall quality has improved. I think I should hope so, at least for the intros that I've been doing. But this was my very first take, I remember. In fact, I had shot this video way before I actually made it go live. In fact, I kept doing more and more tweaks to make it look a little bit better. And I remember speaking to my brother at the time. He was like, man, if you keep editing it, you're never going to come out with it. Just launch it and then work on videos that come. So that was some very good advice. So I mean, here we are. This is definitely, I think, the worst video I've ever made. But let's carry on.
In an ocean of earphones, the Realme wireless buds have got.
I left my phone on my desk. Oh, this is my old desk that I was using. Oh, and you can see my old shit Lear 2. The shit Lear 2 has also just gone past about 5 years. The laptop you see behind me is an old MacBook Pro from 2011, and that's what helped me start my channel actually. So it's here somewhere, but it started giving up. So that's what actually started it off.
Gotten a lot of people talking, which stirred up my curiosity. But now it's got my attention. I'm Paul, and welcome to Paul's POV.
Man, I'm so awkward in front of the camera. This is quite embarrassing.
So full on disclosure here, Realme has not sent me these wireless buds. I bought these myself off of Amazon out of pure curiosity to see what the world of wireless buds has to offer now. So what's in the box and how is this box actually? I quite like the way it's designed. I like the way it's made. There's a good amount of white space. So the print really stands out.
Yeah, cool. So I'm going to skip through all this because it's very embarrassing. But yeah, I mean, most of it is just me being uncomfortable, I think, in front of the camera. But, the things that I've pretty much stuck to, I think, is the rhythm of it. I think I've stuck with
your spare ear tips in that. So
I've stuck with the rhythm of, build quality and what you get in the box, and the background has changed. I've moved cities. I've gotten a whole lot of new equipment, new desk.
Spare box, you get a small ear tip and a large ear tip as well. You get the user manual for the earbuds, and you also get.
Oh, in fact, I totally forgot, but my wife shot this video. She's the one sitting behind the camera. And I have a photo somewhere, I don't know if I can find it, but she's sitting on her laptop and playing some game or something because she was so not interested in what I was doing. This was the time when, people didn't think that I knew what I was doing and whatever, but I just wanted to get into the hobby for fun, of the whole YouTube thing. In fact, a lot of my colleagues got after me to do it. So, I mean, it was a lot of fun starting off. Of course, my wife doesn't help me with videos anymore. I shoot everything all by myself.
A very short micro USB cable to charge the earbuds.
Okay, let's move on. Some nice shots over there. Close-up shots.
Because this absorbs all of that.
Magnetic stuff.
And the right barrel how's it?
Yeah, this is well before I started scripting. In fact, now I've sort of leaned away from scripting because I've got the idea of the skeleton I want for all my videos. But yeah, I just went, completely ad lib. And also this shot reminds me, this close-up shot reminds me, I'll just tell you about that in a
moving
second.
on to the earbuds themselves, the finish of the earbuds is sadly not the same as the barrel.
In fact, I'd cracked a whole bunch of jokes, I think, during this video that I decided to cut out because some were just really bad sort of dad jokes before I was a dad. But it was fun. I remember my wife giving me some very dirty looks while I shot this video. Yeah. So this is what I want to tell you about. So some of these shots.
They sound reasonably good. There's a hefty amount of bass. It doesn't have as much of body as I'd like personally, but it's got that slight kick, treble music. So
Some of these close-up shots
vocal aspect of music. So if you're into
were not done by my wife. In fact, there's a good friend of mine. We used to work together, Omkar. He came over and helped me shoot these. It's very sweet of him. In fact, the good news is he's been helping me out lately with a lot of my video edits and a lot of my thumbnail work. My thumbnail work absolutely sucks. So he's been helping me. So he's also been technically supporting Paul's POV for the last 5 years, apart from my wife, who's not too keen on helping with stuff. But yeah, Omkar is still around. If you guys are here, just say hi to Omkar in the comments.
rock or anything with vocals, female vocals.
Oh
Your
man,
left
but this
and
is
like your bang in the middle of your head.
really cringe.
If you're looking for them, these aren't the
Omkar shot this as well. All the lighting and all is totally his idea. And this was with very limited stuff. I didn't have too much stuff when it came to lighting because since I was in photography, I didn't have any LED lights or whatever. Everything was just flash. So in fact, one of the lights here that's lighting me from this side, the rim light, it's actually one of the first few lights that I bought for this channel. And it's still going strong. In fact, the batteries are still working somehow, which is pretty cool. And yeah, everything else is pretty much new, but some things are still with me.
Oh my god, I've never heard that sound before under earphones.
But yeah, I mean,
Lower frequencies reasonably well.
yeah, this is the only place where you're going to see my foot. I think I'd better blur that so nobody
And trebles,
sells it on some sort of website for feet. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty cool, yeah, back then, starting off.
I was expecting a lot more from these. No doubt, you could always play with the internally.
I mean, yeah, it was fun. I was very nervous, as you can tell. In fact, on a whole lot of my initial videos, you can tell that. In fact, yeah, I did roll out footage. And later I figured that nobody really... Oh, this is something I used to do, which I stopped. Bloopers. So yeah, I stopped the bloopers as well because nobody was really going there, going back to, that far back to see the all of that. But yeah, I mean, this really takes me back. Yeah, it was a lot of fun to start off. I remember I was very nervous because I'm not really used to this kind of stuff. It's been a bit of a journey, in fact, to come this far and see these first few videos that came out. I remember, in fact, I came out with this video on the 16th of Feb, and in March sometime the lockdown hit. So around that time, the world ceased, everything stopped. I didn't know what to do with the channel, if it was going to continue or not. But I think I've just stuck to it. There have been times where I've thought about, just sort of quitting and not doing it anymore. But the one thing that I found that really has driven me is, it's not the subs, it's not the views, it's more you guys. I mean, I think there are like 20 die-hard sort of fans of the channel. That's you plus me included, so maybe 19, 20 of us. And the thing is, usually what brings me back to making more content has always been that one guy who will come and say, Paul, thanks for helping me out. Thanks for making me understand these earphones or headphones or whatever else. So the fact that I've been able to help people has always brought me in. And I'm glad I still think this way, because this is why I started the channel. I wanted to introduce people to higher end audio. I wanted people to understand audio, even if it was budget stuff. and I talk about the budget stuff the same way I talk about high-end, because then you have that understanding. So let's say in some cases today you can only afford to spend 1,000 rupees, 2,000, 3,000 rupees, and then let's say a year down the line, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years down the line, you can spend about 10,000 or 20,000. There's no knowing, but because you've been exposed to that kind of information of, you know, how to break down audio and how to understand it in a more budget segment, you are obviously going to understand what you're looking at, you know, in a more expensive segment. So that's why I keep the language simple. That's why I try to break it down without too many technicalities, because I just want people to understand and enjoy, you know, the whole approach towards simpler audio and really understanding and enjoying it for yourself. So, I mean, I'm glad I've stuck to this, because this is exactly how I felt 5 years ago when I was starting the channel. There are a lot of things I've had to get over, like being, you know, very camera shy and all that sort of stuff. But I have to thank you guys. If you're watching this, you are definitely one of those guys who supported me through all of this, and thank you ever so much. I didn't think I'd get to this 5-year mark, but here we are. And in fact, I was hoping to, you know, make another announcement for a few things that I'm planning today, but that's not going to happen. It's been pushed to a little later in the month, of course, because I mean, it's flu season. My daughter keeps bringing the weekly or monthly subscription of the latest virus back from her school, so it's going to take me some time to recover, but we should be making the announcement soon for what's to come with the channel, of course. And of course, if you guys are still here, thanks so much for being here and you know, sort of walking me through this journey. It's been a lot of fun, and I hope to continue. And of course, if you guys do want me to retain some older stuff, like, I don't know, I really like the blooper thing. I don't mind bringing that back, but the thing is, I'm not interacting with anybody. My wife's not recording my videos anymore, and I don't think she can, because, you know, we've got a daughter along now. But I don't know if it's possible and you guys want it, let me know in the comments. I'll ask her to have a look at it and consider whenever she can, because those were fun rants, of course. But of course, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. It's happy 5 years to the channel. Thanks so much to all of you for being here, of course, and supporting the channel. And of course, I will see you in the next one.